guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you an install we've done today. As you probably know, we specialise in the OEM replica type systems, but every once in a while we are presented with a dash which there's nothing for. This is on a Mitsubishi Canter, which is a big long wheel arch one which actually picks cars up and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is a 1 DIN system. You just simply press all that button. It's got a motorised screen. There you go. I'll just show you the home page on it. So this is the home page on this. Is an 8-core processor one, 232 gigagram. You can go up to 464. As you can see, you got a nice LED panel here, and obviously some touchscreen buttons down here. As you can see, it's nice and responsive. Doesn't have CarPlay or nothing like that on there, but you can add it if you want. There's your navigation, video, music, Bluetooth, DVR camera app. There's your FM, AM radio. Some of these are little home pages, shortcuts for your music and your radio. Press that one there, go straight into the music, also the radio station. A2DP, which is the music streaming, amplifier. So obviously there's your amplifier setups there. As you can see, it's a lot of, you can have a little tweak around the speakers. Not many speakers in this car, to be honest with you. A big truck, should I say. A couple of little things down here which are basically Google Chrome and stuff like that. Google Maps pre-installed. It's got the Play Store on there, so you can download any apps of choice. TV's not on there today. Talk, TPMS, these are just little added extra you can add. YouTube. Okay, I'll just keep it short anyway, just the purpose to show like the actual 1 DIN systems that we can get hold of if there's nothing available on the market for your car. So get in touch with us if you've got any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.